Jackeline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you my review, demo, swatches, comparisons on the brand new DIOR FOREVER Natural Bronzers. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know all the details about the formulation of these new bronzers from DIOR, comparisons to Charlotte Tilbury, Gucci, Tom Ford, NARS, and much more, then just keep on watching. No, you're not seeing a ghost, but I definitely need some color to my face, and that's what we're here for, to review the brand new DIOR FOREVER Natural Bronze. Oh DIOR, oh DIOR, they are coming out with so many new products. I mean, they are reformulating some of their products too, and these new bronzers, they first appeared in Europe, but now they are available here in the United States. They come in 10 different shades, but here in the United States, we have seen only 4 shades as of right now. I'm sure the whole line will come, anytime soon. And by the way, saying that, if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? Why you don't follow me there? Because right there, I keep you posted when something gets newly released, when something is in restock and whatnot. And that's the same thing that what happened with these babies right here. I was the one that immediately let you know that they were available at Neiman Marcus. By the way, I will be leaving all the details of my makeup, these products, and the products that I will be comparing it to on the description box below for your convenience. So going back to these, my friends, each of them, they cost $48. Not bad for a luxury brand, to be honest with you. They come with 9 grams of products, they are made in Italy, and they have a shelf life of 12 months. So again, I got the shades 5 and 6, so we're going to try them on and see what they are all about. So you want to see these babies? Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I love the packaging. It's so DIOR, it's so classic, it's so luxurious. It is just DIOR. It has this beautiful quilting right here. This is the compact, and then as you open it up, this one right here is the shade 5 Warm Bronze, and it also has a mirror. Now, another thing that I noticed right here is that there is a pink hole on the back. So that tells me that perhaps these will be also refillables, and I'm just so happy to report that. Now, let me show you the other shade, number 6. This one to me is a little bit more cool tone, 06 Amber Bronze. And then I love that it says right here, DIOR. I don't know if you see the embossing right there. I'm sure it will go away as soon as, we swatch it. Oh, so sad. And then let me show it to you side by side. On my right hand side, I have the shade number 5. And then on my left hand side, I have the shade number 6. I do have a light to medium skin tone. I will be leaving my foundation matches also in the description box below as for reference. Now, are they really weighty? They aren't. The main component is plastic, and then the top is this quilt thing that, just makes them really a little bit more, luxurious. But other than that, they are not really weighty. Okay, friends, so let's start with this application. So let me get you closer. So here I got you the shade number 5, Warm Bronze. Ooh, it feels so soft. Okay, that's the shade number 5. And now let me show you the shade number 6. This looks a very cool tone for me. 5 and number 6. I'm gonna go ahead and apply shade number 5 on my right hand side and shade number 6 on my left hand side. My friends, you have to judge which one you like more, 5 or 6. I think 6 has gave me a little bit more definition, and yet it doesn't look muddy or like too cool tone, because that's when I saw them side by side, like first open it up, I thought, you know, like 6 looks very cool tone in comparison to, oops, to number 5. That 5 looks a little bit more warmer in tone. I mean, like, it makes sense. This is warm bronze and this is amber bronze. So I don't know. You have to be the judge for that. I mean, like, these perhaps give you a little bit more definition than the other one. Don't know. And then as far as blendability, as you were able to see, it blends so easy. I mean, like, so easy, smooth, like butter. I mean, they feel super soft. They are not powdery. It feels super soft. So now let's go into comparisons. I know you guys, you have been asking me, like, as soon as these drop, it's like, can you please compare it to the Gucci ones? What about, you know, like Tom Ford? What about Charlotte Tilbury? I mean, we're gonna do that right now. So for Charlotte Tilbury, I have 2 shades, shade number 2 and shade number 3. I usually use more shade number 3 than 2. So this is the shade number 5 from Dior. Then I'm gonna go to shade number 2 from Charlotte with my index finger. And then, I don't know, I mean, like for Gucci, I'm gonna swatch them, but I think I'm gonna swatch them separately because the Gucci bronzers, they have a little bit more of that reddish undertone, while the ones from Dior, they are very neutral. So then on my other finger, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Tom Ford, and this is Terra. Now, these big Tom Ford palettes, you cannot find them anymore. Now they only sell the smaller version, so you know that's sad. And then I have here the shade Gold Dust, Charlotte Tilbury number 2, Dior number 5, Terra, and Gold Dust. Let's just switch in here. I think you can see right away that Dior has more of like a neutral undertone. These 2 right here, they're still more warm, and the one from Charlotte Tilbury is also neutral but lighter. Okay, now let's go with the shade number 6 from Dior, and we're gonna do the same thing. On my middle finger, I'm gonna go for Dior number 6, Charlotte Tilbury on my index finger, and this is the shade number 3. And now let's go for the Gucci ones. So here I have Gucci number 3. And then I have here Gucci number 4. You can tell right away, Gucci is a lot more warm. They have a little bit more terracotta. Charlotte 3, Dior 6, Gucci 3, Gucci 4. Now here on my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch number 5 from Dior, number 6 from Dior, and then I'm gonna go to a couple of OG bronzers like NARS Laguna. And then I have here HOOLA from Benefit. Okay, now we're talking. Now these are more alike to Dior. Dior 5, Dior 6, NARS Laguna, HOOLA by Benefit. You know what? And also, I was looking to my collection and I was thinking to show you these Marc Jacobs in 104 Fantastic. I'm gonna put it down below. This is a lot lighter though. That's Marc Jacobs. Now Dior 5 is kind of close to NARS Laguna and Dior 6 closer to HOOLA. But the only thing that I see right here is that the formulation from Dior is very silky. Like it's very, kind of like the one from Charlotte Tilbury that is airbrush finish. Very easy to use, very easy to blend. That's what I'm seeing from Dior. I mean, it's super silky, and although it's a matte type of formula, it's not a flat matte. It does have dimension. It doesn't have a radiance, but you can see not even a luminosity, but definitely you could see that it's so silky that actually looks like your skin. You know what I mean? It's really, really pretty. Yeah, in fact, you can see right here, I have no patches anywhere. Everything looks seamlessly. I mean, it blends with easy. I don't know, I feel like number 5 is kind of like my everyday kind of, you know, bronzer, and this one just give me a little bit more of a chisel look. You definitely have to let me know your opinion, my friends. I have no idea what type of sorcery Dior is doing, you know. Back on their labs, In fact, I'm using today their DIOR FOREVER Natural Nude Foundation, and also as a setting powder, I have this one, the Powder No Powder from the Backstage collection. Now, if you're gonna ask me what's the difference between this powder and this powder right here, this has more radiance to it. You see a little bit of a sheen to it, not a sparkles, no glitter. Definitely the finish is different. And if we go into comparison with the Gucci has a little bit more radiance. So for me, these bronzers, they are a little bit more along the lines to Charlotte Tilbury, these new ones. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. And then as far as weight goes, I mean, again, these are $48. Say for example, the Gucci bronzers, they are 60 something if I'm not mistaken. This comes with 9 grams. Gucci 12 grams. And then for Charlotte Tilbury, I mean, honestly, although it seems large and it's not a cheap bronzer either, you receive 16 grams of product, which is, you know, almost double for what you're getting from Dior. And then for the Tom Ford ones, these big compacts, they don't exist anymore. I mean, you can find them rarely. Right now there's only the small compacts, because these big ones, they come with 15 grams. And then the ones from Marc Jacobs with 25 grams, which, you know, those are huge. I mean, in terms of price, blendability, texture, presentation, I mean, like overall performance, I mean, for being a luxury brand, I think these are fairly priced. And mostly if they are gonna be refillable, you know, because that's what it seems like, even better. And wait a minute, because Dior is coming with even more. On this same packaging, we're gonna see highlighters, we're gonna see blushes, so stay tuned for that. I know, Dior is taking all our money. Summer collection is coming, and I'm like, okay, Dior, what I'm gonna do right now, I don't know where I'm gonna get that money from. Okay, friends, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful, informative. I would love to read your comments down below and carry the conversation there. Let me know if you have picked up any of these bronzers, if it's on your wish list, what you think about it. And again, let's just continue the conversation. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye.